Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your voice on Messenger call. So currently, Facebook Messenger doesn't have a built-in feature to change your voice during calls. However, you can use third-party voice changer apps to modify your voice in real time. And through this video, I'm going to show you how. So the first method, you can use a voice changer app. If you are using it on mobile, you can download a voice changer app. So for Android, you can use an app like Voice Changer with Effects, Magic Call, or Voicer. But if you are using iPhone, you can use a Voice Changer Plus or Celebrity Voice Changer. So I'm going to just find the app first. Let's say I'm going to just use the Magic Call. Okay, search for it and then install. Just wait until the installation process is done. Okay, so after the installation process is finished, you can just click on open and then set up the application. Okay, here you can just sign in with your Google account. Okay, so once you sign in, you can just select a voice effect. You can use, if since I'm female, I can change my voice into male, kid, grandpa, or robot. Some apps also let you modify voice settings like pitch and speed. For example, in here, I'm going to just go with robot. You can click on it and then just tap on call. After you tap on call, you can just enable the call mode. So this magic calls allow the real-time voice changer during calls. So you can just tap on the call options, and after that you can just open the messenger app again, and then just call the contact that you want. So that's pretty much all. You can also use it on PC. If you are going to call someone on Messenger on PC, you can use download and install voice mode such as voicemode.net, and you can just again follow the settings or set up the voice changer and just start a call. That's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.